Hi there, my name is Piotr and I'm one of the co-founders of the Construct, creator of the Designer. And today I have a very cool update for you about the Designer. So first of all, we got in touch with the OS Vehicle team, creator of the electrical vehicle prototyping platform called Tabievo. And we downloaded the CAD model from Tabievo, and now you can actually see Tabievo in our application in the Designer. So when you start the Designer, the first 3D model that you see in your holographic space is Tabievo, which is super cool. Now, the second thing is we actually opened the possibility for you to upload your 3D model in our application. So now with this special website allowing you to access your HoloLens, you can select a 3D model, you can select an FBX and an OBJ with MTL, Collada or 3DS, and you can just copy those files to the application, and then when the app is going to start, you will see your own models in the application. And I assure you, you will love it. If you just saw the 3D on the screen and suddenly it's in your room and you can walk around it, it's an amazing experience. It's a mind-blowing experience, and this is how a proper design review session will be done in the near future. Now, the third thing is, because of all those things, we actually published the application on Microsoft Store. So now, if you put your HoloLens on and you'll go to the store, you can simply select the application and you can purchase the applications, and then you can play around with your own models. So again, we're using an OS Vehicle Tabi Evo CAD model as a starting landing model in the application. So you can see how cool it is to put a little car platform in your holographic space and walk around it and play around it a little bit, removing tires, wheels, seats, steering wheel. Super cool. You can actually upload your models finally to the application, FBX, OBG with MTL, Collada, and 3DS, and you can purchase the application finally on the store. And yeah, so that's the update part. And now I'll show you actually how the Tabi Evo looks in the app, in the holographic space in my room. Okay, now I'm wearing the HoloLens unit. So let's start the application. That's the designer, and do the demo. Now it's loading the model, and there it is. Thanks to the courtesy of OS Vehicle, this is the Tabi Evo. This is the prototyping platform for electrical vehicles. So let's say if you want to build a car, you can purchase this platform and build your own car on top of it. This is so cool. So this is what you're seeing right now is all based on an STP model. We didn't make any changes to the original design. We only applied some colors, so it looks better for the demo purpose. But this is actually a pure CAD model without any modification of the structure. And I'm looking at the model in my room. So what I like about HoloLens a lot is like this, that the model is actually located in the space in my room. So you see, I can walk around it, and now imagine that you could do the same thing with another engineer, and you can both look at the same model in the same space. And this is what we call design review. So now I'm looking at the battery units in the back. I'm checking out the wheels, looking at the seats, at the pedals, steering wheel, and now I'm moving back to my sofa. And yeah, this is it. So you have all the features available like before. So the whole bill of material is being loaded. I can grab a single component and play around with single components as well. This is working fine. We can move the seats. So you can grab any component, even the steering wheel. Yep. And let's say if you made a mess and you moved too many things, you can always bring our menu. Here it is. You can play around with a little bit distance. So you see we've built a function that is doing actually the automatic bomb explode. So you can see all the components, but you can always reset the view, and then we have the whole car back again in one piece. You can also play in rotate with the rotation a little bit with different axes. So you can move it like this. And that's it. So again, this is the app called the Designer, and it's loading any type of a model straight into augmented reality at runtime. And yeah, of course, you can have different types of models, and if you copy your own FBX, OBG, Collada, or 3DS to the application is going to read the model and display it in the same way, and all the features like bomb explode, parts movement, and everything is going to be available for you. So if you like the app, just go to the Hololens Store, and yeah, you can download it straight from the Hololens Store. And yes, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or if you just want to talk to us, yeah, just please leave your email in the comment section under the video, or go to our website and yeah, just get in touch with us. Once again, thanks for watching, and bye bye.